I'm Rob Trent. I'm chair of Toucan Diversity Training, and I've been chair since around early 2020. What I like about Toucan is the fact that it delivers a wide range of training courses. It's got people that have got real lived experience of disability and the subjects they're training in.
I'm Hannah. I work for the Equality, Diversion and Inclusion team as their support officer at Queen Alexandra Hospital. I'm here to learn more about how I can support our colleagues at Portsmouth hospitals, give them support on disability awareness and make the Trust a more inclusive place to work. It was very good, it was really informative. I learned a lot about the correct use of language and how to properly address people and how to support them with their impairments and not make any assumptions.
I do think organisations are making more of an effort now to increase diversity and inclusion in their organisations, and I think that reflects well on society, and I think it offers good opportunities for Toucan.
At Gunwharf Quays, we work closely with Toucan Diversity to deliver disability awareness training to our 120 staff members. The feedback for the training is always positive, and we think it's really important that the team are trained by trainers who can help us understand the needs and challenges of our guests.
My name is Molly. I work at Novatech as a customer service advisor. So I'm here today just to learn more, gain more knowledge on disabilities and how they affect people. I found the training really good, really informative. It was nice to hear from people from their own experiences, and yeah, just took a lot away from it.
I think there are lots of companies out there that say they deliver training, but they won't have trainers and people that are in the organisation and running the organisation with actual lived experience of disability, and I think that's crucial, because we're the ones who know best about what we need.